the first of 2 volumes on Mauser Rifles. This full-color, illustrated book presents the design, manufacturing, development, and combat use of the various models from 1870 through World War I, starting with the model 1871, or Gewehr 71. The book explores each variant, then follows with detailed discussions on models 1871, 84, 88, and 98. The rare G98 sniper and M1918 anti-tank rifles are also shown. Details include close-up views of markings, as well as a serial numbers list, and a visual breakdown of the weapons. Accessories such as ammunition, ammo pouches, bayonets, magazines, scopes, and cleaning kits are featured throughout the book, as are rarely seen combat-related uniform and equipment items. Find the link below and buy the book now.